on that one. And then this one, number 25. I think I'm using number set 2 from the butterfly set. And there's more to come, so I'm so excited. And then this one is number 25. Said I just need 2 of them. And for the other ones, maybe her. Okay, let me move this because it's kind of hard to see it. I'm gonna using her because she looks so cute. You see how she turned out. And then another one. I just want some hints in yellow to really like. Looks not bad at all. Rub it. And it's so thin to the point that you place them on. It's so easy. So now I am going ahead and using condensed glue gel. And before that, I will pick 2 tribal arts. I will, let's see what we got in here. This is super cute flowers. We can do 1. And maybe that. Doesn't matter. It go it's go with everything you want to. I want some gold, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, perfect. There you go. Oh, this super cute leaf. Feather. Maybe feather? No, feather too small. Sorry. I think I'm good. There's so many of them, so I can't wait to try. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one on that. Ta-da! Okay, great. I'm gonna hold both of them at the same time. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Or should I do one at a time? Can I get my condensed glue gel? Oh, thank you, Sharon. All right. So this condensed glue gel will hold all of your charm chain, your tribal arts, your crystal, your 3D, flat back, you name it. And I'm so excited that I get to share with you. So I'm going to do both of them at the same time so you can see it. The different look. All right, so make sure you wipe off the excess glue and put the cap on so you won't ruining your brush. And make sure you put the caps on condensed glue gel so then it won't get here. No wipe top coat, which is the second step of 3-step Trifecta, and then you can also get that from your Trifecta with the special 3-in-1s there. So I am going to floating this top coat on the top of Unclear condensed glue gels. I'm going ahead to do it on both nails. I don't know why, since an idea today is I'm doing 2 nails at the same time. I never done it before, which feel like I'm rushed, but I'm not, because I'm gonna start spending 3 hours with everyone. So I don't know why, but probably because I want to see the difference between both of them and I can't wait. Something on that brush, can you wipe it up? All right, so let's see, we're gonna go with this. Why we keep going back with Bahamas and Ruby Rose? Should we try the different one? We should try a different one, huh? So let's see, I have some others right here. Do I have some yellow? I really want to do the neon, but we have quite a few neons before. I just want something different for all of you. I think I'll put your yellow back. So I'm gonna put this one right here because I still want to see the cute veins there. All right. Want some rose, ruby rose. So I have right on my hand, but it's a little bit further so I can reach it. There you go. This is 2 colors. Why I always pick this? Because it's pretty, one thing, but then it's also it's so the color is so easy to go with, I guess. Just my favorites. But tell me if you have using a different colors, because I would love to see it. Okay, you took it away. I should try a different one. Hey, it's not bad. And I really want to get the obsidians, but it's too far away from my reach right here. I put the gold. Move this so you all ladies can see it right there. Oh, great. Great. I think I am going to, hold on, let me do both of them so you can see it. That's what my purpose of it.
Doing 2 at the same time.
I'm doing 2 at the same time, so then that way everyone can see the different look, maybe. I haven't keyed the other one yet. I'm still holding so you all can see it. If you're just tuning in, welcome to Glitz, Accessory and such. I'm so excited to have all of you. And thank you so much for the amazing support. You know what? We wouldn't be here without you. So that is our amazing inspiration from you, from the love and support, all the energy we got it from you. So we would love to give back by dedicate our time, our passion, so then we can all learn from each other, lift each other up, and we can be successful together. Great to see all of you enjoying live tutorial. Even you are busy, you don't have time to watch today, but you can feel free to watch it over on our IGTV. That's what we doing it for you. I know sometimes I'm so focused and I don't talk. Like you guys, like I feel I'm so quiet. It's 10 more minutes. Okay, looks great. If anyone wants something different, you can definitely add different colors on. If you don't, we're gonna keep it for 60 seconds. I really like it. It looks so different though. This one, it looks really good in my ends. Like on my ends, I don't know is your worst look. So I am gonna give it a cure for 60 seconds. What is a kid supposed to running around at? Like the party? Hold on 1 second. I don't want to be in background like that.